Today I'm gonna be putting in this PLM Crossbar, and I'm gonna start by trying to figure out how to get around this right here. I don't have my die grinder with me, and we need to reach into here so we can put these tabs in, and we're gonna take this off right now, and I'm gonna put them on there. I'm gonna need to make all the adjustments because this right here, I mean, you turn one way on this side and it tightens it up on this side, so I'm gonna have to completely take this apart, make the adjustments, and go from there. I'm gonna try and record as much as I can, and that way you guys can see. But what you're gonna need mainly is, I think, like 14s for that. Of course you can take it off. 14s for here. You can't look in here right now, but you're gonna need a Allen so you can actually tighten all these bolts together, and it's gonna be a size 8. Okay, so let's get to it. I'm gonna start, like I said, start over here and move forward. Okay guys, so right now at this moment I already put in the mounts, the top of the strut tower, but I gotta take these out now because you put them in the wrong spot. They were supposed to be the short side. You can see this piece is longer than the bottom piece, so the short piece is going to go on the bottom. The long piece is going to go on the top. All right, so right now this mouse will go on the top. I'm gonna get all the geometries figured out, take it apart, and then get back to you guys. Alright guys, check it out. I ended up pulling the bar in. It was a little difficult. I couldn't record it all at the same time. It took me I want to say it took me like 3 hours to try and figure it out. Okay, but when I started putting it on, I started putting it on from the bottom first, then I went to the top, and that didn't work out so well. I noticed that the bottom, where it gets connected to the strut tower, it has slits right there. Okay, so I took the bottom. I had the bottom completely bolted on, but nothing matched up at the top. So what I did, I took everything off again and I started from the bottom top. Okay, and again, this is a PLM crossbar for EG hatch. Okay, so started with the top. Okay, of course you got to tighten this up. Okay, then you start off with the center. Put the center first. Oh, I forgot to tighten this one up. Okay, you start with the center at the top. When you do the center, after you do the center, you're gonna do the cross. The cross on the top, it goes on the outside. So after you do the cross, after you do the top, the center bar that goes down, then you do the top crossbar. Okay, when you do that, when you finish the top, everything at the bottom is going to align properly because you're able to unmount this. Don't even mount this onto it, don't bolt it down, just slide it in there and that's it. But you're gonna be able to take it out and make your adjustments down here. Now once you have it dialed in right here to where the screw and the whole mount is gonna go through, you're all set. You can start putting this. You'll put this bar in at the back first, because if you put the front one, it's gonna swivel and it's gonna make this turn. So put the back one on first, tighten it down, make your measurements, tighten it down on both sides. Then after, you come to the front, and when you come to the front, that is your last one that you do. So again, start from the top. You're gonna do the center first, then you're gonna do the back one, which is the X bar, and then you're gonna do the front one. Now when you finish the top, again, start with the bottom center, make your adjustments. Once you put the whole screw through and you have it all nice and tightened down, tighten the actual piece that goes to the strut. Then you start with the back one, then you go to the front, which is this lateral one. Wow. There you go, guys. Up here you put the one with the bigger spacer towards the front, the shorter one towards the back. Notice that. Same thing with the bottom one. Long in the front, short in the back. So let me know if you have any questions about it. Message me, comment me, and I mean, that's the easiest way I can explain it to you guys. I haven't seen any other video that'll explain it properly like how I just did. But if you guys do have any questions, please comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But there you go, guys. All right, guys.